Check out this dress that was just sent to me. It comes in a variety of colors. I'm about 5'3", 5'4", and weigh 125 pounds. This is a size small. I do think you should size down because it is a little looser than I would like. I wish I would have gotten the extra small. The waist is a stretchy elastic, and it comes with these two long bands that you can fold into a knot or bow, whatever you think is cute. I think it's super cute. I'm gonna play around with the style. I haven't decided if I like a big chunky knot more or if I like a bow, but you can play around with it. It's very cute. The length is a little bit like pretty much at my ankles. And then the sleeves are like dolman. They go a little bit over. They have like a wide opening. The back is plain. It doesn't have details like the front does. And there are no closures. You just put it on over your head. So no annoying zipper to worry about. It's really easy to get in and out of. I think it's super cute. I'll be wearing this to a wedding, and I can't wait to wear it and show it off.